In this quick guide, I'll show you how to view transaction history on Venmo mobile app. For most users, accessing Venmo's transaction history via the mobile app is the preferred method due to its convenience and accessibility. Here's a simple guide to help you navigate your transaction history on the Venmo mobile app. Begin by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log into your Venmo account. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the Me icon. Tap on it to access your personal profile. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down the screen to review your transaction history. Here, you'll see a chronological list of your past transactions. Just know that transactions you sent to someone else or deposited into your bank account will be displayed in red. If you want to view more details about a specific transaction, simply tap on it, and this will expand the transaction to reveal additional information, such as the date, time, amount, recipient, and any associated notes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.